Hey guys, it's us. This is day 2. We're running a little late, but we're out here. Nana baby let me sleep in way too long. Say hey.
Hey.
So yes, y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lanice Finesse, but you're here with me as Growing With Finesse, guys. I'm just gonna take her to see the pier. Hopefully there's some people up here fishing so we can kind of see a live fish for her. And then we're gonna go into the beach and just have a good day. What's left of it, all right? So we're gonna take you guys with us. Hopefully you are having a great day. Blessed by the best, okay? All right, y'all, let's get it. This is the Ocean View Fishing Pier. So this is where a lot of people come and spend their Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, living a good life, okay? This is the ocean. Nice breeze out here, guys. And we're actually on the beach. Yes, honey. There's a bar and grill here. They really serve really good food here too. It's a bait and tackle shop. So you got all of your needs in one place. Yes. And this little area is not bad. I guess we'll set up over there when we're done walking the pier. Now sometimes they don't let you onto the pier unless you're fishing, but we're gonna see if they let us on the pier today, guys. If you order some food, you can go and walk the pier until your food is ready, but they typically don't let you on unless you're paying. You say, please wait here to be seated. Okay, we're not trying to go in there. So yeah, okay, so y'all, we on the pier now. Come on. So look at all of these people fishing. Let's see if we can just catch one. Thank you. That's my Nana baby. We gotta be matching.
Okay, that's who your grandbaby?
Yes. You got some live fishing there?
Halfway live.
Well, let us see one. That's why I won't bring her up here so she can see it. Okay. If you don't mind. Hold on. Hold on, Nana baby. That's why I brought you. Come on, Nana baby. My grandbaby.
Be nice and small, just so you don't hold them in my palm of my hand for you.
See?
I don't want to hold it.
You're not going to hold it. Just let him hold it.
Black.
Woo!
Let me pick one. He called a black sea bass.
A black sea bass.
He's too small to keep. You can't keep him this size. Look. She's showing
Look
you.
at it, baby. I'm showing you.
He got pretty blue eyes. Look. Can't hold him so small.
He can't hold him. It's so small, but he gonna throw it back. Thank you so much. All right. So you too. So do you want to walk all the way out there? Cause you jumping, and I'm trying to see your fish and everything. There's actually women out here fishing too.
I don't even like the sea. I just like the sand over here.
And you don't want to walk up here. You scared. So you want to go? We can go. If you scared.
Play with the sand.
And okay. All right, y'all. Beautiful at night, y'all. Really, really nice. I came out here one day with my husband, and when I tell you, we had a good time. Well, Nana baby has spoken. She's afraid, and she don't want to be up here. She seen that one fish and almost passed out.
And I don't like heights.
You don't like heights? Oh, he got some big ones. Look, babe. See, look on the fish.
Oh boy.
Look at it. Can I get it on my camera? I'm trying to show my granddaughter. See the fish, babe?
I won't touch him either.
I'm sorry. I know that's right, girl. Do your thing. You doing that.
Yeah, she's doing all the easy work.
Uh-oh. You gonna cook them? She gonna cook them though, right? You gonna cook them, right?
He gonna clean them and cook them.
Uh-oh. So thank you so much, love. Y'all, we didn't stay long. So it won't be much of the pier. Ava, don't even try it. Don't even try me now. I go with a little bit of it. But don't do that. You know, come on now. You ain't gonna work me. She's scared. And she's scared of heights now. But when I told her, I said we're gonna walk on the pier. We're gonna walk over the water on this pier, on the ridge. You see that? But when we got back there with the fish, y'all, Now all of a sudden she's scared. She don't want to do this. She afraid of heights. But I respect that. I ain't gonna force nothing on her. Now we're gonna go on over here, set up a little area on the beach, and just chill and have a moment, play in the sand, and potentially get in the water because it's really nice out here. Like, it's the perfect temperature, y'all. I think it was almost 100 degrees today in Virginia. No thank you. Okay, no thank you. All right, so we'll see y'all in the next clip. Bye.
I found a shell.
Did you now?
Uh-huh.
Did you now?
Oh, a shell. Where'd
Find
go?
it again.
See it. See it?
Oh yeah. Is it a peanut? Is it a peanut shell? I think that's a peanut shell.
Oh.
Uh-oh, baby, wait a minute. We got all our towels and everything right here.
Look, see, they're all the way walking over there. Anna, the boat.
All right, let's go.
left.
Uh-huh. We're gonna walk out to the water.
Okay.
Neither one of us knows how to swim. I'm not gonna put us in any danger, so we're not gonna go too far in. Probably just enough to cover our body and, you know, to lay down in the water and come up out of there if we need to very quickly, okay? But it was fun. She was really nervous and afraid, but we're gonna work on that. I know I need to get some swimming lessons, and she do as well, so maybe we can do that in the future. Yeah, we're gonna go back in. I just gotta stop this camera. I was trying to get a picture of me and her in the water. It was kind of a struggle to get her to come in up to her knees because she just wasn't comfortable, and she swears that she can swim, but she can't. So I finally got her in there, y'all. I'm so excited that she actually trusted me. I appreciate that. Wasn't trying to get in, y'all. And she told me she was gonna swim. Or that she could swim, y'all. She was not trying to get in. But I'm proud of her. I done sit down in the sand, y'all. I got sand everywhere. Come on, baby. Let's tell YouTube. YouTube, I'm proud of my, come on, sit up here. I'm proud of my nana baby. She got in the water, y'all. Your hair coming down. But we're not gonna mess with that because I got the sand on my hand. But she got in the water, y'all. Nana is doing a good job. She is doing a good job. She is. Hey. Wee.
Wee, you.
All right, it's water break time for me, y'all.
What if I cover your feet?
I'm gonna get in this in here and get this sand off of me.
Can you cover my feet for me?
Hold on. Cover them up.
I don't know how to do this.
Yep, just keep on packing. So are you enjoying yourself here?
Yeah.
Why you keep on telling your daddy you gonna stay with me instead of going with him? Do you think that hurt his feelings?
Yeah, a little.
But why you keep doing it?
Cause I want to spend time with my nana.
So you know you're not gonna be able to keep doing that. You're gonna have to be with Papa and let him have fun with you too. You do know that, right?
Yeah, cause he's my parent.
That's your daddy, that's right. And we want to be nice to him. We want to be kind to him. He loves you. He take care of you. And he don't get to spend time with you either. So you have to remember that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Okay, look at me, my legs. Where did my legs go?
In the sand.
I look like a mermaid right now.
Oh, a beautiful, beautiful melanated mermaid. Yes, indeed, honey. You're doing a good job. Look how much you done dug up from the sides.
I don't want to get too deep until I find something like, like water in there. And I fall into.
No, you ain't gonna fall into the water, girl. It's gonna take more than that.
Okay, I'm gonna pick my legs up.
You can do it. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. You can do anything you put your mind to, girl. Let's go. Woo!
I want to go get it in the water.
Okay, let's go get in the water and wash it off. Come on. Okay, I gotta take this off.
The waves are hitting me. Get back here, you waves.
Not yet. I just hurt my hand. I hurt my hand. And it hurts really, really bad.
Can we come back in the water?
Yes. The rocks, the sand went up in there, y'all. The rocks got caught up in there. It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad, y'all. Look at it. It's broke right there. Thirsty. Nana baby covering my feet in sand, y'all. Oh, today was a good day. We got out late, but
We have fun.
we had fun.
I got a tag.
Here's the final clip of our video. I may go home and cook something to eat. This is our matching outfits for the day. And yeah, guys, I really enjoyed it. She enjoyed it. And I'm on to the next video. Make sure you be here to see it. I love you guys. Bye. Hey guys, we made it home safely. I'm fresh out of the shower. I'm just going to make us some tuna sandwiches. I made the tuna before I went to the beach. I have some bagels. I have a tomato here. I have some onions and lettuce. And I have some banana peppers here. And some sliced cheese, y'all. Don't judge me. I'm going to put some cheese on mine. All right, let's get our bagels toasted up. Hopefully you guys are doing great, y'all. We're going to end this night with a decent meal. And we're going to be grateful and thank God for it, okay? So I'm just going to stick these in the toaster. I was going to put it in the air fryer, but I don't want it to be too hard, y'all. So I'm just going to stick it in the toaster right quick. I like to have a little crunch on my bagel, if you know what I mean. I'm just going to chop.
What are you doing?
I'm making a tuna sandwich.
Oh.
Just going to chop the, you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Chop the tomatoes up. Nice thin slices. Were you watching a movie?
Mhm.
How was it?
Good.
Good.
Not finished.
Okay.
I watched my favorite show.
Which one?
Black Lightning.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Mmm. Separate the onions.
Now I just about to watch it on my phone, even though my phone is about to die soon. It's on. It is on 33%. And my
Okay, where's your charger?
My charger ain't working.
Why not?
I don't know. I charged it up, and last night it was going on.
Let's toast the other two. So, we got this one toasted up. Let's add the cheese. Lettuce. I am going to put this on tin foil. So let me just sit it right here. Put it on the tin foil. Add tuna. I like a lot of tuna on my sandwich. I really, really do.
A lot of light.
And then add the tomatoes. Put some onions on top, like so. And then add another piece of lettuce for the top bun. Uh-oh, that other bagel is ready to come out. Now, how delicious does that look? Y'all, I might hurt myself a little bit tonight. But listen, we're going to eat good. Alright, y'all, so that's dinner for the night. And I'm gonna add some banana peppers to the other one. I don't put no banana peppers on this one. And I'll just do the same thing and make the other one. I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Share me out. Alright. Let's get a paper plate for this one. Let's get a paper plate for this one. So we got our bagel and lettuce, tuna. Looks and smells delicious. It smells good and it tastes good, y'all. Seriously. I can't make this up. Alright. Go with the tomatoes. Like so. Onions. Yeah, we eat a lot of onions around here. And then we top it off. We're going to put some banana peppers on this one. A couple, not a lot. Okay, maybe a little more. Lettuce. And then the top. And now we're ready to eat. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.